In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to get Decathlon promo code. So let's get started. So first of all, you're gonna go over to your web browser and search up Decathlon promo code. And once that is done, you're gonna scroll down until you see this website, Daily Mail. You're gonna click on it. Once you click on it, you're gonna see many codes here. So for example, the first one is up to 50% off all sport categories with the discount. I'm gonna click on that. So this is an ongoing sale on the website itself. So all you have to do is click go to store, and they won't require you a code because this is an ongoing deal. So you can just go to the store and claim the deal basically. So yeah, there are many other you can go and explore. So there's some expiring soon as well, so you can go and give them a see as well. Now I'm gonna head to some other website and show you a few more. Next you can head over to this website, Deal Spot. I'm gonna go here. So once you're here, you're gonna see many codes. For example, the first one is 10% off. So you can click on that, show coupon code, and this code is gonna give you a 10% off. So it's automatically gonna be copied, and all you have to do is click use at decathlon.com. You can head over to their website, choose your products, and use it at checkout. Similarly, there will be other as well. So for example, 20% off. This is the code, copy, and you can use it at checkout. As you can see that these are verified coupons, so they're more likely gonna work. So you won't have to worry about that. So yeah, there's 6% off and all that, so you can go ahead and give all of them a try. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helps you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.